Let me be honest with you. AI will not make you rich overnight. But in 2026, people who know how to use AI will have a serious advantage. And most people are already falling behind. So in this video, I'll show you 5 simple AI side hustles you can start right now, even if you only have your phone. Let's go straight in. Side hustle 1. AI content writing. This is one of the easiest ways to start. You can use tools like ChatGPT to create social media posts, business captions, blog content. Many small business owners don't have time to write, so you can message them directly on WhatsApp or Instagram and offer to help. Start small. Even 5,000 Naira per job is a good start. 2. AI graphic design. You don't need to be a professional designer anymore. With Canva, you can create flyers, logos, event banners. There are always vendors, churches, small businesses that need designs every week. Keep it simple and start offering your service. 3. AI video editing. Video content is growing very fast, but many people don't know how to edit. With CapCut, you can add captions, cut clips, create short videos. You can work with TikTok creators, business pages, coaches, and charge per video. 4. Faceless YouTube. You don't need to show your face to make money online. You can use AI to write scripts, generate voice, create videos, then post consistently. This one takes time, but it can grow into ad revenue, affiliate income, sponsorships. Number 5. AI voiceover. Not everyone likes using their voice. That's where AI comes in. Tools like 11 Labs can create natural voiceovers. You can narrate videos, create ads, work with YouTubers. Simple service, but high demand. Let me be very clear. None of these will work if you don't take action. You don't need to do all 5. Just pick one. Learn it. Practice it. Offer it. That's how income starts. If you want more simple and honest ways to make money online using AI, subscribe now. I'll break it down for you step by step.